Day trading. It sounds exciting, doesn't it? The idea of buying and selling stocks within the same day, potentially making quick profits. But is it really a good idea for beginners? Let's dive into that. First, let's talk about the allure. The thrill of watching stock prices fluctuate in real time can be intoxicating. You see those charts, the green and red lines dancing around, and it feels like a game. But here's the catch. It's not just a game. It's a high-stakes environment where emotions can run wild. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that can wipe out your capital in a matter of hours. Now, let's consider the learning curve. Day trading requires a solid understanding of market trends, technical analysis, and trading strategies. For beginners, this can be overwhelming. You might think you can just jump in and start making money, but the reality is that many new traders lose money, often within their first few trades. It's crucial to educate yourself before you even think about putting your hard-earned cash on the line. Risk management is another critical aspect. Successful day traders often have strict rules about how much they're willing to risk on each trade. This isn't just about making money, it's about protecting what you already have. Without a solid risk management strategy, you could find yourself in a situation where one bad trade wipes out your entire account. That's not just a setback, it's a disaster. Let's not forget about the time commitment. Day trading isn't a part-time gig. It requires constant monitoring of the markets, analyzing charts, and staying updated on news that could impact stock prices. For someone with a full-time job or other commitments, this can be a significant challenge. Many beginners underestimate the amount of time and energy they need to dedicate to be successful. And then there's the emotional toll. The highs of a successful trade can be exhilarating, but the lows of a losing trade can be devastating. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make decisions based on emotion rather than logic. This roller coaster of emotions can lead to burnout, which is something many traders experience. So, is day trading a good idea for beginners? It can be, but only if you approach it with caution and preparation. Start with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Educate yourself on trading strategies, market analysis, and risk management. Understand that it's a journey, not a sprint. In conclusion, day trading can be profitable, but it's not for everyone. If you're willing to put in the time to learn and develop a disciplined approach, it might be worth exploring. Just remember, it's not just about making money. It's about making informed decisions and managing your risks effectively.